everybody, and welcome back to Super Tech Services. We got a request to do a toner video on a Kyocera M3550. Just want to show you guys how to replace the toner and the waste toner on one of these printers, just in case you have one of these and you don't know how to do it. It's really simple. So you'll get that little orange box there in the top right, letting you know that the toner is low. Now you don't have to change it when it's low. You definitely want to wait till all the toner's out before you change it. But I'm going to go ahead and do it now just to show you how to do it. So I'm just zooming in here. You can see on the right hand side there's that little button that I'm pressing right there. Just go ahead and pull that down, and then you can see that little blue or turquoise lever. You're just going to pull that back and lift up. Now this is generic toner from either Precision Roller or Katon, I believe. I think it's Katon. But if you have Kyocera toner, it's the same thing. So just go ahead and open up your box, and I'm just going to show you what we have in here. Your box may be different, but usually you get a toner and a waste toner every time, and a bag to put it in. So there's our toner and our waste toner bottle. You want to make sure you always replace the waste toner bottle with the toner bottle. Alright, so let me get the toner bottle here, and the first thing you're always going to want to do is shake up the toner. Shake it, shake it, shake it. Now this bottle does not have any tape, but on the Kyocera official toner they do have tape. So shake it first and then you'll remove the tape. This one doesn't have it, so I'm just going to shake and then just place straight down and snap in. And you got to wiggle it in sometimes. You'll see the little tabs on the side will fit right into the grooves. Place it in, you'll hear it snap in, and then push the lever up just like that. Close the door. And just like that, guys, that's how you change the toner. Really easy. But wait, you're not done. You need to move the machine to the left. Just go to the left-hand side. Let me zoom out here a little bit. Give me a second. Alright, let me just focus the camera. Alright, now go ahead and open the side door, and there's a little tab. You're just going to press that little tab that I just did right there and pull the waste toner bottle out. And then pop the top and put the new one in, kind of lift it up, close the door, and you're all good. Just like that. Now sometimes you get a message that the waste toner box needs to be replaced even though it doesn't, so I'm going to show you how to clean that in a minute. First, let's go ahead and pack up everything, close it up, put it in the bag, and just twist it up in a knot. And try to get these things recycled. Not everybody does, but some vendors do actually recycle. So we're going to put that back in the bag. Toner bottle we'll put in the black bag. Just like so. Wrap that up, and it's really cool because the toner bottles from Katon come with a little cloth. I didn't read up on what it was for, but I believe it's for the toner bottle to make sure that that section is clean. Okay, I'm going to pull this out right here. So you can see you get that little black toner right there. And if it's caked on too much, you'll actually get a message that you need to replace the waste toner bottle even though it's already empty. So what you want to do is just clean the inside tab, make sure it's nice and clean. Just like you can see here. Nice and clean on the inside and on the outside, because I believe there's a sensor that shines through there. Alright, just like that, then you go ahead and close it, and that should get rid of the message for you. Alright everybody, that was how to change toner on a Kyocera M3550 and a bunch of other models as well. I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.